This tutorial shows you how to set any song from your device as your personal ringtone without needing any extra app. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. From there, tap on Ringtone to open the ringtone settings. At this point, you'll see a list of default ringtones already available on your device. In the next step, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list and tap on Add from Device Storage or Pick from Device. Following this, your file manager will open. Navigate to the folder where your song is saved. Once done, tap on the song you want to set as your ringtone to select it. From here, tap Apply or Save to confirm your selection. At this stage, go back to the ringtone list and you'll see your chosen song now appears at the top. After this, tap on it to make sure it's selected as your active ringtone. You should hear a short preview play. Finally, tap Apply or Done to save the changes, and your custom ringtone is now set. Keep in mind that the song needs to be downloaded and saved directly on your device for it to show up. Streaming apps like Spotify don't allow their songs to be used as ringtones. And that's it. If this Android tip helped you set your favorite song as your ringtone, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.